Here we go then, boys and girls. We are back. Just over these bushes is the special lake. What a privilege it is to come and fish here. Billericay in Essex. Here we go. Bosh. Have some of that in your kippers. Proud to raise the flag. Here we go then. 4 nights down the magical place that is the special lake. Over in the deepest, darkest Essex, Billericay. Myself and my best mate Kel. We've got 4 nights on here, 5 days. He's in the left, I'm on the right. Loads of water, loads of areas. We've seen a few fish show. Got a little swallow there hunting. Billy's all set, bed's all set. About to get the old rigs tied. So, special lake. Oh, we've had one very, very, very lucky bite. Yeah, we're down here. We've got 4 nights down here over in Essex. Me and my mate Callum. First 24 hours passed. God, this thing is so bloody weird. There we go. Yeah, 24 hours passed, uneventful. And then this morning about 11 o'clock, we were talking about feeding and whatnot. And we had a take whilst doing so. Yeah, lovely fish. Big heavily scaled mirror, £37. So very happy boy. On a single yellow, tailor-made hook baits, the pineapple and Easter. They're absolutely gorgeous little hook baits. So yeah, they've done me well. Bite on a pop-up. So we've got something to go off now. They're all on yellows, all down there, slings there. In these waders, we've just done a few steals, but we're waiting for Dino, the owner, to come round. He likes to make sure, obviously, his fish are in best condition, and obviously record the weight and see if it is an uncaught fish, because there's 15 in here that haven't been caught so far, including a couple of big 40-pounders, maybe even a couple of 50s. So yeah, another 3 nights to go. Keep repeating what we're doing, and you never know. Should happen again.
Yeah, it's on, mate.
Right, special lake. It's only took me 24 hours again. Oh, how good does this feel? Me and Callum, my old mate, we've just literally stood there talking about, you know, feeding, responses, etc. We've been putting in a lot of Allaraqua pellet, and we tested it in a water butt, and it's only really lasting for about 3 hours, 3.5 hours. So I've been regularly smashing it with pellet. There's no easy way to say it. A lot of pellet has gone in. Oh.
Do you want me to sink the line?
That has picked up both of them, I think. Is it over them or under them?
It's under them.
That might even be it. Oh no. Right, okay. Cal, can you pick up that rod to there? Just reel up, yeah, tighten up. With the rod up high, so I can see the line. Oh. There we go. Okay. Yeah, you may as well reel that one in if you can, tighten up the clutch. Oh no, it's connected. Right, okay, don't reel that, slacken that reel off completely. I don't know where it's picked up.
I don't, mate, it's on slack, let's just net it and worry
deal
about that after. I'm just going to sink the swab tip.
Yeah, thank you. Might see if I can move down. Do you want to grab that net?
Yeah.
That's on a Ronnie. Little yellow pop-up cow. Oh, you're recording still, yeah?
Whole thing, mate.
Bit of carnage has managed to get through the other rod. But we're having to backlead. It's a big boy. We're having to backlead as well. Right, let's get that net. I think it's managed to get off. Check it out. Whoa, it's a big mirror. The old tailor-made hook baits, pineapple and Eastern Blend pop-up. First time I've even flicked one out. Crazy. Right. Oh, can you pick that right hand rod up, Carl? Slack, tighten up and lift it up. I think the line, you might be able to get it off. Yeah, so if we hold it like that, it'll be a lot easier to. It's a decent fish, Carl.
Get in there.
Get in!
Go on the boy.
Oh, mate.
Go on the boy.
Go on!
Yes, boy, well done.
Sick, Cal Rob. How badly was that caught on? Could we have got
He's
that
a
off?
chunk. Look at the width of it.
She's got a back. Okay.
Right, here we are. Marcus is off the mark with 007. Two great big scales on the side there, and I'm thinking, don't think this fish has been caught. It's been up in the netting, we've had it in the netting, and what did she go, Marcus?
37.
37 on the butt.
37
on the nose.
Yeah, 37.
37 pounds, well done. Excellent.
Lovely fish. Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
There we go then.
Laura's here watching.
So, 37.2 off hopefully uncaught mirror from the Special Lake. They don't think this one's come out in the netting, in the two nettings that they've done on here. So if that's right, whoa, be careful. God, they do like a little jump, don't they?
Colour, isn't it? Lovely colour. All the scales under her belly.
Yeah, it's absolutely immaculate. That's alright, it's alright.
This will be £40 fairly soon.
The other side is beautiful.
You're going to do both sides?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go. God, yeah, so hasn't come out in the two nettings, so fingers crossed this is uncaught potentially for, would you say 10 years, Dean?
Yep.
10 years?
Yep.
So yeah, crazy really when you think it's eaten pellet all its life, and it's only just come out now. A single yellow, tailor-made hook baits, pineapple and Easter, and we've got 3 nights. So fingers crossed a few more, and especially for Cal to hopefully nick one as well.
Yeah.
Show the other side quick.
She's nice straight across the back, isn't she?
Lovely, yeah.
Get her
Nice,
back.
quite a nice, not too long, but just long enough. Just nice.
She's
Got a nice
lovely,
top line and bottom line.
absolutely beautiful shape. Look at the folded gill plate. Not a lot of fish have that. It's really
Yeah.
unique.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, the other side is lovely as well, if you ask me. Right, there she is, there's the other side.
Great stuff. Look at that.
It's perfect, isn't it?
Lovely colour, isn't she?
Yeah, she's beautiful. Is it coming up on there alright? Yeah, there we go.
Well done.
Lovely, right, let's get her back. And hopefully a few more.
Hang on, just one quick brother. I'll just get another quick picture of that side if I can.
Yeah, of course.
All right.
Do you
That's
need
it,
any
lovely.
treatment at all? She's got a little, tiny little ulcer underneath. At the back.
Yeah,
Or
they've got a little. Might be just. That's just colour.
Yeah.
Don't think so, I think
Yeah,
she's
they're
pretty
not-
good. I
think
did check
saw
her
some
over.
on the other side.
Yeah. Look how wide she is across
Oh,
the
it's
road.
crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can tell why we thought it might have hit the 40.
No, I
No.
think she's
Nah, she's fine.
absolutely...
She's fine.
Do you know what, she's got this, have you seen, she's got this bluey
Yeah, I was looking at that,
head.
and also that gill plate on the other side.
Yeah, it's folded over gill plate, which is
Yeah.
really, really unique. But this blue, mate, is
Yeah.
incredible.
Yeah. The size of their eyes.
I know.
They're gorgeous, aren't they? I mean, she's lovely there. She's got plenty of water. It's
Yeah.
a good thing to do is just make sure.
The width of it is insane.
It's the belly, mate. That is full.
Yeah, full of spawn.
Yeah.
Absolutely full.
Or full of. Yeah, she'll have spawn in her, won't she?
Right, let me get her back.
Can you
Well
tell
done.
whether that's
You
a
could-
boy or girl then?
Eh?
I'd say she's female, considering her fins are a lot
Yeah.
smaller.
Yeah.
Males seem to have bigger fins.
Yeah.
And they're spawning
altogether.
soon, so you think that's
I
big
think
belly
she's a female.
female.
Yeah.
100%. It's
Yeah.
the right. I mean, look at all her pecs.
Yeah.
All her fins are really small,
Yeah.
and that's the way to tell by male and female. The males will have bigger pecs. They'll be like the size of your hands,
Yeah.
whereas females tend to have. Look
Yeah.
at that.
Great.
She would have been worthy of being called.
Yeah. The name of her.
I would have
dog.
called her Doris if I had my way. After my late mum, it was always Doris.
Oh, really?
That would have been the name, yeah. If I do catch one that I can name, it will be Doris.
Yeah, well, a lot of them hasn't got names. A lot of them haven't got names.
Yeah,
Cal,
there
do
you
you
go.
mind
And you are
pausing
gonna-
that?
Oh, 'cause they
Do you want a
just-
hand?
out,
Do you
aren't
want me to
they?
give you a
you're
hand?
good, mate.
You say.
Purpley blue.
Purpley blue, yeah.
Stunning.
Yeah.
Oh, there she is.
Look at
Hey, that's in there, mate.
Look at that.
007. £37.
Two very large scales, yeah, in a sort of an O shape.
£37. That's ridiculous. Ridiculous Miracarp.
Well done.
And the
Excellent.
trip is still young.
Yeah.
3 nights to
Few
go.
more to come yet. Few
Right,
more
we'll
to
let
come
him go
yet.
this way, yeah?
Yeah.
Go on then, you swim back to the house and go for a sulk. Go and sit in the armchair. Come on, baby. What a buzz! He's just laying down, just going for a fight. What a whack! I heard the bobbin hit the
Coming towards you. Nice mirror. Yeah. Get in there.
Oh. Lovely times. All the rods are out now, all baited, belly's fed. That will do us lovely.
So Marcus, third fish off the same spot. How's it feeling?
Yeah, big. Definitely feels better than the last one, that's for sure. It's pulling back, mate, which the other one didn't do. I've just got to keep it down because he's trying to get underneath that middle rod. It's definitely not silly, they know what line is.
Yeah.
That rod comes up again, Cal, just whip it straight in.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not got a back bed on. Oh no, that has. Sorry. Which is odd.
Think you're safe.
You'd think you'd be fucking safe. Where
Keep the
are
rod
you?
tip low still though.
Don't do it. Fuck's sake.
What do you want me to do?
Is it on it? Yeah. Gonna whack her in.
Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah, she's cleared it. She's going that way. It'll be that one potentially. Might have to come in. At the moment she's clear.
Putting up a very good account for
The other
itself.
one that's took line, Cal. I can hear what's going on. Ladies. That's still pretty what? Hanging me up.
Yeah. Nice mirror. Very nice mirror. This battery's gonna die.
What on that? Oh. There's a spare battery in my little bag of it.
I'm just gonna keep running until just at least get it in the net. Just needs that big gulp of air, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's not wanting to come up. Look at what it's done to the bottom. It's just kicked it up. Oh my. Wow.
How's the arm?
Yeah, still on my hip. Dodgy bed chair. This Callum, man.
Dean's coming running over. Get him excited, excited little school child.
It's all mates, isn't it? The noise.
It's kicking off.
Getting a bit busy.
Sure, he's got a bend in the rod. Oh my god.
It's a nice one.
Is it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Take your time.
Decent mirror.
Same spot again.
Same spot. Gosh, take your time. I don't want to lose it.
No, 5 to 9.
5 to 9.
5 to 9.
5 to 9.
She's gone straight over the top of both of them. What a diamond. Oh. What a good girl then. She just literally cruised over both rods then.
It's a lovely one.
Oh, how good was that? She's like, I'll tell you what, I'll give you a break. I'll go over nice and easy. is so much better. Callum, would you mind grabbing?
You want me to net it?
I just need my waders.
Do you want me to net it?
Would you mind grabbing my waders for me?
Yeah, where are they?
Oh, just there.
Just there. Perfect. There we go. We should have the left open. Thank you. Just got a horrible feeling we should hook those left.
Right, in.
No, sorry, Dino.
In.
There we go.
Can you pull them up for you?
Yeah, please. Oh, sorry.
All right.
There we go.
Get an arm on, get in there.
A cup. Did you clip that? So there. That's it. Thank you.
Look at that. Stunner.
Oh, that's so much better. If that then decides to go that way, at least I know I can control it. Oh, right. So, special lake. I can breathe. I can breathe now.
He's got his waders on now.
It's just underneath my feet. I can breathe. Cal, can I have that on there?
It's on for a
My
while.
left hand side, please, bro. Thank you. I can control it so much better. I tell you what, that water is cold as well. It's actually very It's just like taking a dog for a walk, isn't it? Look, come back. It's coming straight towards me. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Get in there.
You're on the boy. You are. Cheers, Doris. Girl.
Wow.
Come on in, let's have a look. Swivel around. So,
It's 44 pounds.
yeah, she's 44.
Let's just keep it still, won't it?
She's 44, isn't she? 44. Yeah,
Widening, isn't it?
yeah, she's on 44, I'd say.
Do you want to try it again and I'll hold it with you?
Try and get a
Yeah,
true weight.
steady. It's gone brown and it's nearly red. I really hope that line isn't stuck in the corner of the island. Right, I've got direct contact. That's a big fish, mate. We've had to come down like 3/4 of the lake. Right, he's out. I think I can go back that way now. I should be able to go straight over those trees, shouldn't I?
Yeah. And the reason I'm up and filming this early
because I've also got one in the net.
Yes, Callum's got one in the net.
The special lake with a double take on our last morning. You cannot make this up.
Right, where are you? Right, she's just in front of the swim. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, that had me panicked for a minute then. Stick it on that bucket if you want, Cal, or you're right filming, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, look, we've not had any action for the last
36.
36 hours pretty much. So this is well needed. It feels like a really, really good fish. That's the only one that's done it to us, hasn't it? Yeah, of course.
So why Marcus is playing this whopper. It's a lovely fully. First fish out the special lake.
This hole is really, really deep. Literally first light as well, isn't it?
Yeah, mate.
Hopefully, on the last day, we can tick a few more off. It's just changing direction really slowly, which is why I think it's a good fish. Don't go over the rods. I've managed to get those backwards a lot more slacker actually. To be fair.
Got measles again, mate.
Third time in a row. I don't think it's as big as what we thought. It's just,
Mine looks like an upper 20.
it's just scrapping. Yeah, I was going to say that looks like it. Let's come right and close. Look at that. nice mirror.
Stunner.
She's a pretty one. She is going some, isn't she? That line, that weed is hideous on the line.
It is a big fish.
Okay, maybe he's a bit bigger than what we thought as well. He's just not giving up. Hit him up every time and he charges off. That was biting, I think. Ah, the last day.
Double take. Yes.
Oh, thank you very much. Yes, Callum. Right, so special lake drama this morning. The last morning, Cal's managed to bag himself one. He ended up with a £30 fully, and I've ended up with another special one, real special one. We've got a fish here known as Queenie, £39, 39.12. So not quite £40, but it's the biggest she's been. So that's a 40, a 43. 37, 39, under 27, so yeah.
Look at that.
Right, I'll get her up here in a minute, show you all. Cheers, Cal. Whoa, it's got my camera soaked.
Hang on a minute, you sure that's Queenie?
Yeah, look.
Oh, the other side will give it away.
Oh, right. She's Queenie.
Where's that carp tail? Put some more.
It's there, isn't it? Yeah.
Good this stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's excellent.
What one is that?
The Nash.
Oh, the Nash one.
Yeah. I got the Corder one as well, but I just like how it
Yeah.
goes up and
Yeah.
and stays hard.
Right, let's get her up. She's got a little bit of carp care on her because she had a couple of lifted scales, but what a battle this was. Pretty much took me down the other side of the lake. Calm down. I can feel her, she's just ready to kick.
Well, what can we say? What can we say? This is the other one.
There we
double
go,
take.
Queenie. 39.12. Crazy, crazy, crazy place. Oh, most of all, Callum's had one now. £30 fully. Blown away.
Top weight.
Absolutely blown away. There we go.
She's never come out as big as this. 39, what was she, 39?
39.12, do you know?
39.12, so she's
So-
really pushing £40 now.
Yeah, she's got a little bit more growing to do. There we go, she's straight on there. Oh,
Well done, Marcus, excellent.
no, thank you, Dino.
Well done.
Did you get a couple of photos, did you?
Yeah,
Are they alright?
yeah, mate. There's loads of good ones.
Get some without me showing my bloody teeth.
That one's a nice one.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, let's do this side. There we go, there she is.
That's the other side. 39.12, unbelievable. This fish was 16 pounds something when I got her from Frining Fishery off Chris and his stock pond, him and Charlie and his son, and
Wow, yeah.
yeah, this came out his little stock pond over the back, and
Right.
they were all small fish and this is one of them.
There we go, there's the other side of her, Queenie. Oh, what a special fish. What a special trip this has turned out to be. Two of the real special ones. Yes, mate.
Well done, Marcus.
Cal, can I be a pain and get a couple more off her actual side
Yeah, yeah.
without me
I
showing
think
me
I'm
teeth?
boxing, mate.
Just turn that off, please, brother.
You're boxing?
No, no.
Right, ready? There we go. I'll take a couple, shall I? Right, I'm hoping they're good.
Just my phone, please.
No,
mate.
your phone, you just want some still photography or
Yeah,
video?
and, just a little video.
Oh, okay, yeah. Right, so I'll do a video first. Right, here they are. These
Here we go
boys,
then.
double take on my birthday. Marcus holding on the left hand side, Queenie 39.12,
That's it.
and Callum with a beautiful fully scaled £30 too. Double take, how can you?
Can't really say
Okay.
much else, can
You
we?
can't really say we can't make it up, can you? Excellent,
Special
guys. Brilliant, well done, fantastic.
Gee, thank you.
Right, that's the little video
I
done.
think we haven't got any stills on mine. Just got
Right.
a couple of stills on
Right, a
mine.
few stills on yours and then you can release them. Shall I do a video of you releasing them?
Yeah, we will do after, Dean. We ready?
Yep.
Oh, don't you be doing that. Go on in.
I'll take a few. Oh, they look lovely. That's it. Got
Perfect.
quite a few there, quite a
If we
few
release
shots.
them like this together,
Yeah.
facing each other.
Do you
Get
want
a
a
video?
video?
Listen, and if you can, Dino, get a bit closer to us,
Yeah.
just so you can see sort of down the side of
Oh,
each
I think-
fish.
Do you want it down
Get
at
that.
quite a low level again, like this level?
Yeah, I think so.
Right, you want me to start videoing now?
Yeah, please, Dino.
Right.
Right, there we go then, bruv. Second time in the special lake, completed. You got your slice of cake, haven't you? Queenie.
That's the Dino's birthday.
Yeah.
Yes! Yes, Colin boy! Good!